Evelyn, say something to Grandpa and Grandma. Ah. Are you ready to go to Florida? Huh? Are you? You seem to have some concern. What's your concern? Ah, not really. But you're happy, right? You're okay with the long flight? Hmm? Oh, I think you can deal with it. Yeah. So you're gonna see the ocean for the first time. Ah, that's exciting. Yeah. Something else? Something else you want to see? Ooh. You have to be patient. Okay. Oh, something not happy? Oh, really? You're concerned about the weather? Oh no, weather is good, right? Ah, okay. So, say something to Grandma and Grandpa, okay? Oh. Or we just talk on Sunday, right?